Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be discussing about how to create a responsive card page. So first of all, let's take a demo of our site and then we will move towards the coding part. Here, as we decrease the width of the screen, the page becomes responsive, which will be easier to view in any devices. So let's move towards the coding part to build this page.
Now let's start our coding. First of all, let us create a table with a class table. Under the table, let's create a form with a method post. Remove the action. We don't need the action this time. If you want, we can add it later. Inside the form, let us create a t-head of a table. Inside t-head, let us add th and type any. We will write RID so it can be displayed on the screen. RIDs, and we will add other many more, such as image. We will add for image, product name, and again for price with the same th, price, and quantity. Total and delete. For total and delete, I have called total and delete. This one is for total, and the last one is for delete. So we have mentioned the title. So and we close the t-head. Down the t-head, we will open t-body. Inside t-body, we will open tr for table, and inside tr we will open td, and inside td we will write a data label. Data label of which we will going to make, such as I am going to make of order ID. For example, let's set order ID to 1. Let us copy this so that will be easy for us. Another one is image. So in this video I have used my own image. You can use your image as you wish. For the image source, for I have used simple image such as bread .jpg. We will remove alt and srz. We don't need this time anymore, and we will set width to 150 pixel. This is for image, and next is for product name. Product name. Let us suppose type of bread. Another one is price. You can set any price as you wish. For example, let's say 22. And in data label we will write price. And another is for quantity. We will use increasing number of quantities. So we will type an input type number, name. Let us type your quantity. We don't need ID at this time, so we will remove this ID. Name. We will write step 1. we will set the minimum value to 1, maximum value to null, title to suppose QTY for quantity, and we will set the class name as in QTY and size to 3. So this here we can set out TD for quantity. We will set another TD for total, and we will write data label to total, set data label to total, and let us suppose the total will be 22 as you wish. We will set a delete option. For that we will copy the TD and change the data label to delete. We will create a spam tag so that we could add the delete image icon. Spam with a class trs stress alt. I have used the font awesome for the icon. So I have used one product. If you want to add another product, just copy this tr and paste down below the where you have closed the tr. Let us suppose the order ID to 2 and change the image name as I have used another image, for example cake, and change the name also cake. Let us set the price to 22. You can set any price, quantity and total number as you wish. So again we will set the total number. Again we have to open the tr. When I close tr, td, we will set the call span to 5 so that it will arrange in normal way. We will set the style here. Not here, inside the TD, we will set the style inside the TD. Style font weight. Let us suppose the font weight to be bold. Font weight we will set the bold, and we will set font size to 24 pixel. 24 pixel, and here we will write total so that we can arrange the total. Okay, inside TD we will write total. For example, total you can calculate the total and write. For example, I will write 44 the total amount. And another is for VAT. We will copy this tr of total and paste it below so that we can add the VAT. You can add VAT as you wish. VAT for example 4. We will type here 4, and again we will do subtotal. And subtotal 4 means 44. We will be set to 40, and you will type subtotal. You can do anyway as you like. And again we will set 2 buttons. One is update cart and proceed to checkout. For that, again open tr, td, set td call span to 2. Inside td we will get a button type submit. Class we will set as button. Name we will set name to update cart, and the name of the button we will write update cart. Again we will write another button of proceed to checkout. For that we will copy this td part and paste down here and change the name as checkout, and update class to proceed to checkout. Proceed to checkout. This is the HTML part. We have done this much in the HTML part. So let us go to the CSS part to style the CSS so that it will look more beautiful and will be responsive. So let us directly move to the CSS part. I have already created one CSS file named standard CSS and already linked the style in the HTML. So let us move the style part. In the style, we have created a class called table. Inside that table, we will set width to 100%. Border collapse to collapse. Border collapse to collapse. We will set the margin top to 20 pixels. Margin bottom also to 23 pixels. Again, inside the table class, there are TD and another one is TH. We will style that too. Set the padding to 12 pixel and 15 pixel. Border to 1 pixel solid and color will be as a TDD. We will set to text align to center. Font size to 16 px. Width to 95 pixel. Now we will set only the TS only of table. Class name table of TH only. Background color will be dark blue. We will set the color to hashtag F. And again we will set the class name table of tbody. Inside tbody there is tr whose and child will be e1, whose background color will be strike F5 F5 F5. There is a class for quantity. We have used the class for quantity. For quantity, we will set width to 65 pixel, height to 21 pixel, border radius 5 pixel. This is the stylus we have done. Now let us make this side responsive. So to create the responsive, we have used the media query. To use the media query, first over the media max width. Set max width to 700 pixel. Inside the table class there is tr. Let us set the tr to display none. Again class table comma, again class table with tbody, again with class table inside the str. Okay, Inside the class table, there is TD. We have to set to display block with 100%. Okay, inside the class table, we have solo tr. We can edit in solo. So we will set margin bottom to 15 pixel, and we will create for TD. Inside the table there are TD. We will text align to right, padding left to 50%. We will set the position to relative, and for TD for table, and inside TD it should be before content attribute, as you can in the HTML section, as we have used the data label we are using here, so that we can make it a responsive data label. We will set the position to absolute, left is 0, width 50%, padding left 15 pixel, font size 15 pixel, font width to bold, and text align left. So let us check the site is responsive or not. Here you can see our site has become full responsive. As we decrease the width, you can see our site. So this is the easiest way you can create your cart page through HTML and CSS. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.